What's up everybody, it's Sean here, back today to give you guys my long overdue review of the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Premium in the Mummy colorway. Today's video is brought to you by the good people from Heffelux. Heffelux is my all-time favorite sneaker insoles, and they sell eTPU insoles, which essentially is the same material used for Adidas Boost. So if you're looking to add some additional comfort for your shoes, be sure to check out their website, which is linked down below, and you'll see they sell 4 different insole options. So really depending on the type of insole density and cushioning setup you're looking for, whether that's for boots or sneakers, there's gonna be something for everybody. So I've been a paying, proud supporter of Heffelux for years now, and I honestly stand by their products. They definitely do add a ton of comfort to your shoes. So if you guys wanna save 15% off your entire purchase, be sure to use the code SEANGO at checkout. So I know Halloween is over and we are in the thick of November, but I just picked these up and I had to do a review for you guys. So this is the Mummy SB Dunk Low, which is this year's main SB Dunk Halloween themed shoe, and they released in late October for a price of $110 US or $145 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is coconut milk, sea foam, and yellow strike. And this shoe, if it wasn't obvious enough, is inspired by the look of a classic mummy. So diving right in, the entire upper of this shoe, this is covered in this cream colored canvas and it has this distressed look to it which mimics the look of a mummy. So on the toe box it has this crisscross stitching which runs across the entire length of the shoe, and embroidered on the left shoe we have this glow in the dark spider. Wrapping around the outer edge of the toe cap, we have more of this canvas which, as you can see, has this frayed distressed look to it, and this same canvas covers the eyelets of the shoe as well as the quarter panel as well. Stitched on top of this we have this gray colored suede swoosh, and then underneath this, wrapping around the back heel, we have more of this distressed canvas, and on the right shoe only, we have this piece of canvas which actually sticks out and protrudes out of the shoe. Right above this, we have this hit of white leather, along with these 2 cartoon eyes, which are embroidered into the leather, and this entire panel actually glows in the dark too. For the laces, so these come with these cream colored oval shaped laces, but they also give you a secondary pair of neon green laces as well, if you want to add an additional splash of color to your shoe. Underneath this, we have your signature padded tongue. This is covered in the same canvas material, and on the top, the Nike SB tag here is altered, and it's done in this gooey dripping style in this green color. On the back side of the tongue, the tag here, we have what looks like an ancient Egyptian eye graphic, which according to websites is supposed to be the Eye of Horus. And underneath this, if I flip the tag over, we have what looks like ancient hieroglyphics, which if anyone knows what this is supposed to represent, please let me know down below. And because this is an SB Dunk Low Pro model, around the back Achilles area we have additional padding which adds to the comfort of this shoe. For the insoles, these come with a foam line insole, and on the top we have this graphic of what looks like toilet paper on top of grass, which is a nod to Halloween. And because this is an SB Dunk, the insole has a Zoom Air unit underneath the heel for cushioning. So the upper of these SB Dunks sits atop this solid rubber cup sole, which is entirely done in this glow-in-the-dark finish. And then turning the shoe over to the bottom, the outsole here is done in your classic SB Dunk Low Pro fashion. So we have this circular traction pattern on the forefoot, along with this exposed foam in the middle with Nike SB branding. And just like the midsole, this entire outsole also glows in the dark too. So that breaks down the look and the construction of these Mummy Dunks. And for those wondering how these fit, to me these fit like most of my other SB Dunk Lows, so for me I opt to go a half size up for a 10.5. So I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and because of the padded ankle collar area, the padded tongue, along with the more thick insole, I feel like going up the half size fits me better because of my slightly wider feet. So whatever size you normally wear for SB Dunk Lows, I'd recommend sticking with that same size, and if you have narrow, normal, or slightly wide feet, you could stick true to size, but if you have really wide feet or you prefer more of a generous roomy fit, then half size up should be good too. Next up, in terms of comfort, so these feel like any of your other SB Dunk Lows, so it's not going to be the most comfortable shoe out there. Even though there's Zoom Air underneath the heel, honestly you can't really feel it too much, and it feels very stable, low to the ground, which makes sense because this is technically a skateboarding shoe, but there's not too much from a softness and cushioning standpoint. However, for casual use, they're going to be okay. I just wouldn't necessarily wear these if I know I'm going to be standing around for many hours in a day. Finally, in terms of the overall quality and craftsmanship, this pair I gotta say was very impressive. The material quality I thought was top notch. I really liked the canvas uppers, and even the suedes on the swoosh felt very soft and buttery too. And in terms of the overall build, I really thought they did a good job on this pair. The distressing was just enough, it wasn't overdone, and it really gave off that ancient mummy vibe. So all in all, this is night and day compared to your standard GR Nike sportswear dunks, which are really plastic and very horribly made. This one, in contrast, was very good. So with all that out of the way, now let's lace up these Mummy Dunks and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. I know this is technically a Halloween themed Nike SB Dunk, however, I think this shoe is still very wearable even when we're not in the Halloween season. The colorway is versatile enough that it could be paired with different looks, and I don't care if it's not October, I'm still gonna wear these regardless of the season. I don't know where this is gonna land in my end of the year list, but this is definitely one of the top SB Dunks to release this year, and I'm very excited to add this to the collection. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about these Mummy SB Dunk lows. Did you guys manage to cop these? Did you take an L? Or did you pass altogether? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. You can follow me on Instagram at sgo8, check me out on Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.